Hey everyone, welcome back to TechVibe Nexus. Today, we're talking about collaborations and how to leverage other creators for growth. Let's dive in. First, let's discuss why collaborations are beneficial. Partnering with other creators allows you to tap into their audience, expanding your reach and gaining new subscribers. It's a win-win situation where both creators can share their expertise and creativity. Tip 1. Find the right partners. Look for creators in your niche or those with a similar audience. Make sure their content aligns with yours to ensure a natural fit. This will make the collaboration more authentic and engaging for both audiences. Tip 2. Plan your collaboration carefully. Discuss ideas, formats, and goals with your partner. Whether it's a joint video, a shout-out, or a guest appearance, having a clear plan will help both of you create valuable content that resonates with your viewers. Tip 3. Promote each other. Share the collaboration on your social media platforms and encourage your partner to do the same. This cross-promotion will help both of you reach new audiences and drive traffic to your channels. Finally, engage with your new viewers. Respond to comments and welcome them to your channel. Building a connection with your audience will encourage them to stick around and explore more of your content. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more tech updates. Stay with TechVibe Nexus, and see you next time.